How to make high status friends, get girls, make money and live an epic social life while growing your business and influence in your city. In today's video, I'm gonna teach you the best strategy that you can use to live an epic lifestyle, how to leverage your social media so you can meet the best people in your town, network, get more clients and meet extremely attractive women. And I'm also going to show you how you can leverage your social circle in social circle events. So stay until the end because this is important information if you want to level up and have a high status in your community. It's sad that I have to say this, but the preconditions for this strategy is that you're a good human with character and integrity. You need to be dressed well and you need to have great social skills, and you cannot be broke as a joke because you want to be an asset and not a liability for the people around you. This strategy works especially well if you're a business owner or you're working in sales and you want to make more money or you want to make better friends. And the general mindset that we have with this strategy is that we want to build a community of people that have the same goals, that are on the same mission, like-minded people that have the same values as us, girls that we can make friends with or sleep with, and men that we can make money with. Because we want to create a strong brotherhood of men around us that go in the same direction and have ambitious goals. The first thing you need to do is that you look at your current lifestyle design. Do you have the business you want? Do you have the career you want? What exactly do you want to improve? Where do you want to travel? How do you want your social life and dating life to look like? And how can you stay healthy in the process? So you need to create your dream lifestyle so we can later on in the second step present it or start to present it on social media, especially on Instagram, with videos and with pictures so other people can see. Because when we then go into these different locations, when you go about your day, when you go to the gym, when you go to a restaurant, when you go to bars and clubs or to other social venues and gatherings, even when you're getting a haircut, you want to make sure that you approach people, that you connect with people, and that you get their contact data on Instagram. And you always want to look how can you give value to them, but you also want to get other people to help you in your career. So for example, if you're a business owner, you can ask them for referrals. You want to get everyone on board with your mission. So it's really important that you get the right people around you and that you go to the right locations. We want to have it all. We want to have a great physique, we want to have great friends, we want to have attractive women around us, and we want to make a lot of money because that's what men are meant for. So we want to attract exactly the kind of people that you need in your life, in your business, that support you in your dreams and goals, and you want to be polarizing on social media. Love me or hate me. You want to market to the people that like you and you want to demarket, so push away the people that don't like you. So for example, I like to chill with a lot of women at Luxury Beach Club and I show myself there, and if people don't like that kind of lifestyle or if they don't like what I'm saying, then I don't want to have them in my friend group as well. And you want to do the same with your social media. You want to attract the right people and push away the wrong ones. Generally, what I would advise you to do is on social media, present yourself with high value men, with extremely attractive women, great food and adventure. So when you're doing fun trips, when you're doing fun activities, then present that on social media. Some dating coaches say you shouldn't show yourself with attractive women on Instagram, but that's exactly because they don't have any hot girls in their life, and you want to show that you're pre-selected and that you have social proof because women Love it. Make sure that you're going to nice locations, that you're going to the little bit more pricey ones, to the high status places where you can meet ambitious men, and it's also where the most attractive women go to. So in your city, there's probably a few spots that you can go to where there's the most attractive woman and the most high value man. And great people have options. Great people want to be around other great people. So what we're gonna do is that we provide value in the form of social circle events. This can be charity events, this can be parties, this can be barbecues, this can be whatever event that you want that fits your lifestyle. For example, I like to go to beach clubs or to nightclubs sometimes, or to nice dinners in restaurants with pretty women, and I just like to invite people there. And you also want to make sure that you have a high social status in these environments. It's very simple. You can do this by becoming their best clients, spending money there, but also by getting to know the bouncers, you know, talking to the staff, being friendly, talking to the promoters, getting to know the owners of the club or the venue that you're going to, and then you will see that your social status is directly higher. So when you invite pretty girls to where you're going, or other men, that they directly see, okay, you know what kind of man you are. And if you are as charismatic as me, you just walk into a room and you have instant social proof, because people can see and detect. So even if you want to implement this strategy, you need to always work on your social skills. You need to be confident and charismatic. I was a shy, broke loser. I didn't know what I was doing in my life and where I was going, but now I connect and I have a network of rich and famous people. They love me. I bring value to them, and you can do exactly the same. So you just have to think what you want to do in your life. How do you want your life to look like? Visualize it, and then make an action plan so you can implement this into your life. The general strategy, what we are using here, is that we are creating a lifestyle that other people, especially attractive women, want to be part of. And then you can meet them in real life through day game. Whenever you see someone that you think is attractive, a girl, or you want to connect with a cool dude in a nice location, then you exchange Instagram, you bring them into your life, you organize social events, and then you have an epic social life. So if you want me to help you with this in your specific situation, then what I want you to do right now is that you apply for a free consultation call with me and my team, and we can call you, get to know each other, analyze your situation, and find out if and how exactly I can help you. Make sure to watch the other videos on my channel. Check out the social media channels. I wish you a great day, and thank you very much for watching.